Isa to sa mga pinakaunang contest na sinalihan ko ngayong college journey ko. At itong competition na to ang isa sa unang challenge na gusto ko malagpasan. I am Lance Chrysler V. De Jesus, a first-year BS Computer Science student from the University of the Philippines, Los Baños. I am the regional champion of Region 4A, Calabarzon.
First day pa lang ng training session namin, I knew there was something special and exceptional with Lance. Yung tipong first day pa lang ng training namin, alam ko nang aabot kami ng national finals.
So sa akin yung challenge parang more of a mental challenge kasi mataas ang pressure. Siyempre magagaling yung mga kalaban ko na nanalo na sila sa provincial level and na yung next round is national finals na. During ng competition, sobrang taas ng pressure, sobrang taas ng stress, pero alam ko naman na yun yung kailangan ko para mag-improve ako.
Lance is very hardworking and curious. Minsan nga, mas na-challenge pa ako sa mga questions niya.
I perceive Lance to be a very gifted student, gifted person. So, from what I heard about him, he has great potential. And whatever happens, in my heart, you are the champion.
Good luck, Lance! We can do it! Let's reclaim the national championship. Ibalik natin sa UPLB ang PSQ National Championship.
I am Lance Chrysler De Jesus, representing Calabarzon, ready for the national finals.